Yeah, I love Korean movies, but I'm watching Christian movies right now to, to cheer me up and to to remember that God's love loves me. I'm not alone, that I'm not lonely, that I am loved, I am worth it. To cheer up. Mm, maybe what cheers me up is when I'm watching motivational videos like Christian movies and playing Christian songs. It really cheers me up. Yeah, comedy movies is good too. Like rom-com. I like rom-com. Not the comedy because I'm a hopeless romantic. No, not religious stuff. No, because if you just watch like comedy movies, it will take your sadness in just a short period of time. Like, it had when yeah, you're happy when you're watching it, but afterwards you're gonna feel empty again, you're gonna feel sad again because you're not treating the whole problem. Like you just escape it. But when you really understand what you're feeling through Christian movies, you gotta understand that you're not alone. There's God with you, and you're gonna learn that it's not the end of the world. Feeling ko galing ko mag-English. Make friends who keep you smiling happy. Yeah. But it's hard to make friends here. Maybe because having no time. And my work is freelance. It's not always. So I have lots of time to think, to overthink. Don't have my friends is busy working. Hey, you got to 47. Someone definitely will be there. Yeah. Yeah. Here, boss G, Arky is my friend, but they are, um, they are afar. They are far. They far. They are far from our home, from my home. Jason. So, yeah, I'll try. Yes. Thank you for that. Hi, Josh. And I'll try to be better person.